Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be talking about ways that you can earn crypto from crypto. In other words, interest on your crypto. So this is decentralized finance, or another way of calling it is decentralized finance and DeFi for short. Now, what's the purpose of this? Well, if you think about how the traditional banking system works, you would lend out money or deposit money into your bank, and you would earn, let's just say, 1 or 2% on that. The bank would then take that money and lend it out to other people who want to borrow from the bank for, let's just say, a mortgage or unsecured loan, or maybe for a credit card, so on and so forth. Now, the fees that they charge are like 5, 6 if it's, let's just say, a mortgage, or it might be less, or if it's an unsecured loan, possibly 10 to 12%, and if it's like your credit card, it's like 20%. And so they make money off of the difference between what you are lending them that money and the money that they're able to lend it out for. So that's how banks kind of profit. Now, the whole purpose of decentralized finance is that you can kind of be like your own bank. Well, in the sense that you can go shop around to different places and lend out your money and earn, and in return you're going to get interest on that, on lending it out. So, example, if you go to BlockFi. Now, I've never been to BlockFi before, but let's just say you use BlockFi and you lend out your Bitcoin. Now, they're going to give you 6.2%. You're thinking, oh, okay, you know what? I'm long Bitcoin. I want to hold on to it, but you know what? I don't mind taking on the risk of lending out the 6.2%. So that's how it would work. And then BlockFi would basically take that and take your Bitcoin deposit and lend it out. So they'll lend it out to people who want to borrow. So essentially, DeFi is they're third parties that match the borrowers and the lenders. So they are kind of acting as banks in that case. So for myself, I've personally tried Celsius, and in the future I'll be doing a review on Celsius. And I've also used something called compound finance. So I lend out some of my DAI, and in return I do get a return on that. So right now, if I look here in this chart, I get 7.3%. I could be, if you look up in this chart, yeah, I could be earning 10%, but there's a little bit of risk associated with it. If you look here at the category in terms of the type of wallet, or the type of lending platform it is, this is a decentralized finance platform. So because DAI works off of or is on the Ethereum blockchain, everything is based on smart contracts. So when I lend out my DAI, they'll give me some tokens, or in return they'll give me some tokens saying that they owe me this much, and it's based on a smart contract. Now, with, let's just say, crypto.com or Celsius Network, their wallets, and just as it shows you here, they are not decentralized, meaning that because they're not decentralized, if something happens to Celsius or crypto.com, then your funds or your crypto could be lost along with it, with the site. Whereas Compound, there is less risk because it's open source. People are able to check the code, and people are able to see if see the transactions that are coming in and out. And from what I've read so far, it's Compound has been audited by different people for the code, and they haven't been able to find a bug yet. So that's at the moment, that is the situation. It may change later, but yeah, that's why they're only offering 7.3 compared to, I guess, 10%. I mean, higher the risk and well, higher the reward, right? So that this is just a brief overview of this website here that you can find on CoinMarketCap. But again, I'll be leaving the description or the website in the description below on where you can find this. And maybe if you are interested in either earning interest on your crypto or perhaps even borrowing, right? So if I click on borrowing, you can check out the rates on how much it costs to borrow. And I don't think that's right. That's got to be a mistake. But anyways, yeah, I thought that this would be a great introduction into uh, decentralized finance. And um, in the future, I'll be talking about some of the decentralized finance networks or the wallets that I have used, and I'll give my kind of, I guess, thoughts on it and do a review on them. So in the future, I'll be talking about Compound Finance and Celsius Network to just share my thoughts and opinions. But yeah, anyways, that's it for now. I hope you found this video informational or informative, and if you did, please give it a like or thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have some feedback on whether there's something I should talk about or shouldn't have talked about, or what you liked or what you didn't like about it. And yeah, if you are interested in catching videos or getting notifications of my future videos, then please hit that subscribe button. Other than that, thanks for watching. Bye for now.